Here we have a problem where we're trying to find the marginal product of labor and the value of the marginal product of labor. So we're going to do this in Google Sheets. Let me move this out of the way. In order to know the value of the marginal product of labor, we need to know what the price of the product is. We're told that it's 5. So put that in your spreadsheet and put a 5 there. The wage is 500, so we need that to see how many workers we're actually going to hire. The marginal product of labor is the difference between this worker's output and the previous worker's output. So to do that, we're going to write a formula. You hit equals, and then you're going to click on this output minus this output. That gives you the difference there. Put it in parentheses, and then you technically do divide it by the change in workers. Okay, now this change of workers is 1. Put that in parentheses also, so this gives you the additional number of workers. Now, Google Sheets sees what I'm doing, so it copied the formula down, and we can kind of check that if we say, okay, the second worker produces 120 more units of output. Okay. Now, the value of the marginal product of labor, you're going to hit equal sign. We're going to multiply this price, but we want to keep that the same, so we're going to hit F4 on our keyboard. And then you're going to hit the star key. We're going to multiply that by the marginal product of labor. This is the value of each worker's labor. So it's the price that they're selling the product for times the additional output. Google Sheets sees what I'm doing. And I'm always going to hire a worker whenever the value of the marginal product of labor is higher than the wage that I'm paying them. So this worker is worth 700. I pay them 500. I want that worker. This worker is bringing us 600. I pay them 500. I want that worker. I do want the third worker because that's the last worker where the value of the marginal product equals the wage, but I don't want the fourth worker. So I want 3 workers in this production function with that price and that wage.